Hi, this is Angelo Batio, and the Steampunk Metronome is unlike any metronome you have ever seen. It's got so many fantastic features. One of the things that I love about this is I can program the most progressive parts of my music and just rehearse them. So what we programmed for you is I'm playing a part of my song Rainforest, and it's in 5, 7, 9, and 7. That's 5, 4, 7, 4. And we're going to repeat it 4 times, and I added a 4 count in the beginning just for my own starting. And then when it repeats the entire segment. So each time you get the 4 count again. And I like that because it kind of calibrates my mind to play the part one more time. So here we go.